What's up, my ninjas? We were out here with this big turd. So when I picked this, so we power washed it. It actually cleaned up pretty good. Everything's scratched up, but nothing too terrible. I knew it was a turd, but when I got it, it was at night, and I was in a rush, and I knew the tire was bald, but I didn't see those spots. So when I first looked at it, it was real dark, and then when it was on the truck, I didn't it wasn't where it was worn through, it was just bald, and I was like, alright. But now after seeing the bald tire, and after I cleaned it up, I just really wanted to see, you know, like I said, when I tried to start it the other night, when I was editing it, I was like, it kind of sounds like it was locked up. So, long story short, so I hit the starter again, it still made that same funny noise. So I pulled the starter out, hooked the ground right to the battery, hit the start button, the starter spins freely. Put it in gear, can't get the motor to turn over. So I'm like, alright, let me pull the spark plugs. Because it was sitting, it could be hydro locked or something, who knows. I start with the one on the right side, and that one came out, and then I got to take out this one on the left side, and this spark plug, I get a quarter turn out of it. That's all I get. Anybody have any ideas why? I've had this scenario before. Now you didn't even get to pull the head, because that means the piston hit the spark plug. So they definitely over revved it or leaned out or something. So I think this side's good, but this side's no good. And I still didn't get the titles, so, and the kid's being funny now. Which I'm not surprised, actually. After all this said and done, I was just so bored. So I got it cleaned up. It doesn't look bad. I'm gonna just put the whole bike back together so it's all one piece and repost it. And I'll get paid for my time at least. I was hoping to get another running bike out of this, but I don't feel like buying a used motor. They want too much for the used motors. If it had the title, it's worth putting a used motor, but I don't know what's gonna happen. So we're just gonna put it together right now. I hate having a bunch of stuff all apart, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, there it is, all back together again. I didn't lock down the rear seat because I don't have the key, and it's easy that it's off already. I didn't put the springs on the exhaust because people are going to lowball you anyway. But it's all bolted together. There was a broken bolt in there. I tried to get it out, but I wasn't wasting a lot of time. And this right here keeps popping out, so I might, you know, zip tie that in or something. But it's all together now. Looks like a complete bike. And I gotta bolt the ignition back on. Other than that, so I paid $200. I power washed it. Spent an hour diagnosing what was wrong with it. What did I have? Like an hour or two out here putting it together. So I had like a half a day into it. Paid $200. Should get $500, but that's it. I'm gonna go get dinner. I'm done for the night. Sleep. I'm out here sweating. The air conditioner is not working in the house. I just went to turn it on for the first time this spring, and it's not working. It's always something. Last month I just re-signed my lease, and then the next week it actually rained and the roof leaked. And they did fix it, but I mean, it's always something. There really is always something to be a pain in the butt. But look at this thing. It actually looks halfway decent. It's not even too bad. Alright, that's it for now. Have a good night.